Hi, my name is Sasha Poquet, and this is an introductory video to the Social Network Analysis MOOC as a part of Learning Analytics series. I'd like to welcome you to this course, and this video is to help you set your expectations a little bit. That is, I'm not sure how aware are you of the fact that as instructors, when we prepare this course, we have to think of all the different motivations you're bringing to it. And we're not sure what it is you want and what it is you want to get out of the course by the end of it. So this video is to help you explain what we intended with the course and help you navigate the different things within it so it can meet your needs as best as it can. So to get us started, let's talk about the things you need to keep in mind when you study or when you read anything about networks. First of all, what do they mean by network analysis? When you look at all those different things people say, you will realize that people call network analysis all sorts of things. Sometimes it could be just a visualization of the network. Sometimes it could be a bunch of numbers and you may not have any idea what that means. Sometimes it's about people, and sometimes it could be about protein or biology networks or ecological networks like interactions between the trees. And so as you go through this, you will see that network scientists, they wear different glasses. So depending on the discipline they're coming from, if it's biology or physics or if they're social scientists, they're interested in very different things, and they're using networks and network perspective to answer their very unique questions. You will also realize in this course that social network analysis and learning analytics may be not what you expect. That is, if you think about it, networks are everywhere. You have friends, and that's your social network. You also are connected to people on, say, Facebook, and that's also a social network, but it's a little bit different than your network of friends. It could also be that your family is a network. But networks don't have to be about people. If you put two pieces of furniture in the room, let's say two chairs, they can actually be a network on their own, connected by affiliation. So network, in essence, is just a set of relations. In learning analytics, we look at networks that represent different artifacts, words, computers, students doing different things. Sometimes networks are used as a mean to achieve some other goal. And so that hopefully wouldn't be a big surprise by the time you get to learning analytics module of the course. And the final note here should be that there are very many ways of solving your problem. That is, I'm assuming that you come into this course with a question in mind. It may be related to your work or to your study, or maybe you just have an interest in network analysis. And one thing you may not realize yet is that the question you have does not have to be answered by network analysis. Maybe there are parts of it that you can answer doing other kind of things. And so I hope the course will help you formulate those network questions better, or maybe take decisions that help you know that network analysis is not the way to go for you to answer your question. I also should say a few words about course design and pedagogy. I strongly believe that you will not know something if I just tell you. That belief is founded on the notion that as adults we have experiences that we make sense of, and that what helps us make connections between the different pieces of information that float in our world. So the course is designed in a way that offers you all these different fragments of information. Some of them are in papers and tutorials, some of them are in extended notes, but it is your job to make sense out of those fragments. So make your own sense of the fragments, try different things, skim through the readings, reflect on what you're doing. And assignment tasks, the set of questions that are designed for assignment grade, are the key to this puzzle. They are the ones to guide you through the process and bring some coherence to the different materials we put together. Another thing, the course is built on three major pillars. So the first module is about network science, where we're going to look at graphs and some basic foundational definitions. The second module is about asking network questions and educational research. And the third module is about learning analytics. So how do you bring all these different things together when we look at data about students and learning that come from digital environments? Finally, as you go through the course, I would encourage you to be constructive. Think your own examples when you see the examples we put together. Be proactive, help others. I hope this will be a good learning experience for you, and I'm looking forward to hearing all about it. Welcome to the course.